Good afternoon, folks. It is about 11 a.m. Pacific time on Thursday the 29th, and obviously the markets have been moving since Monday when I did my last video update. And so let's look at our standard charts. Everything's going to be in the 4-hour time frame, and here we have the S&P 500. And so what we looked at Sunday, Monday was this price was sitting up here on the support level. Obviously it failed, and I think we pointed out based on stochastics that energy was low. Yeah, energy was low down here. MACD was on a sell signal, and so of course, anyway, support failed on that horizontal level. We've gotten a pretty big move down to the lower median line of this Schiff pitchfork, the blue Schiff pitchfork, and so we're sitting on that support. Actually, price has bounced off of that support level. We can see we're still on a sell signal in MACD and very firmly in bear mode based on MACD. Both the signal line and the MACD line are below zero. Stochastics energy obviously is low. Let's move on. This is the Dow. Dow again failed horizontal support and was pulled down into this intersection of median lines between, so in this case we've got a downsloping Andrews pitchfork and an upsloping Andrews pitchfork. These intersecting median lines are referred to as energy magnets, energy points, and it's quite common for price to get pulled into these intersections, these price magnets. And so that's what we're seeing here. Price got pulled into that price magnet there. We'll see, maybe we get a bounce from there, maybe not. Let's see, Nasdaq we're seeing, we already got a pretty decisive bounce off of this horizontal support level, and we've even got price in today's trading poking back up through that resistance level on a strong move. And so that would be a positive sign in the Nasdaq if we can get a close above the median line of that downward sloping modified pitchfork, yes. And so here's the US dollar, and obviously big move in the dollar. So Sunday, Monday, we were looking at price. We're back here working on this resistance level, and obviously we can see we had a pullback, and then on the next, let's see, that was 1, 2, so third time's the charm. We got a gap through the resistance level, a pullback to test resistance, now being support. So in an uptrend, resistance becomes support. That's exactly what we're seeing here. And then the dollar makes this big run off to the upside. Interesting that we get this interplay at the median line of this blue Andrews pitchfork. Now price has run into resistance at the upper median line of this red Schiff pitchfork, and so the dollar's at resistance, and then got another layer of resistance just overhead, but strongly in bull mode based on MACD, and obviously on a buy signal. Energy is high in the stochastics, and so the dollar can certainly run higher here if it wants to. Let's look at gold, and so strengthen the dollar, obviously affecting gold. And so where we would have liked to have seen this horizontal support level hold in the 1880 range, obviously it's failed now. Our next support is down around 1850. We've got another median line extension from this blue shift pitchfork, and then we've got a horizontal support level around, it's 1850, maybe a little bit lower than that. Silver's going to follow gold, so waffling sideways until yesterday, today, and where we've dropped through another layer of what could have been support, and obviously it failed. Now resistance. The mining stocks following the precious metals, big move down yesterday. Today we got some bouncing action. Energy very low. MACD is on a bear signal, or excuse me, it's in bear mode and on a sell signal. I added this new modified shift pitchfork today. It gives us basically, it's the same channel we'd already identified with the pink dash lines, and so now we've got this pitchfork giving us the same information. What's worth noting with the pitchfork drawn is that this move today, price did a big move down through the median line, so gap down, sliced through what could have been support, and now we're getting so that's our zoom. Now we're getting our retest of the median line from below, and we'll see where price wants to go from there. And let's see, oil, again, big move down in oil. When we looked at it Sunday, Monday, we were up here, and of course energy just has dropped out, and price has made that substantial move down through several support levels. Interest rate in the 10-year, big moves this week. Continuing today, and so yeah, a lot of movement in the markets today, so, or this week actually. And of course we got the election coming up here shortly, so not surprising that people are nervous, investors are nervous. All right, folks, I'm wrapping it up here. Have a fantastic rest of the week. Bye.